Are you dating anyone currently?
Am I?
So hey guys, welcome back to
My channel!
Yes.
Today I am here with my best friend Phyllis Villa because I am not so good at vlogging and he is a sort of professional.
I mean,
So he claims that he knows me better than I do. So
I
we are
do.
going to read the comments, and if he knows the answer, you just have to raise your hand
okay,
and speak it like very few words, like 1 or 2 or 3.
alright,
And then I will like explain if he is saying true or not.
alright.
So let's begin.
So this is going to be a best friend challenge combined with Q&A that you guys sent her uske comments में Instagram पे. So make sure you follow both of us on Instagram if you want to send आगे के लिए अपने questions and all.
Okay.
Hmm.
At what age did I start shuffle and how did I come to know about it?
Okay. So
Raise your hand if you don't.
alright.
Cool.
I'm the only person answering. Why do I have to raise my hand?
Like if you don't know, then I will
Okay.
like continue.
So she started doing shuffle 6 months ago. And क्या था आगे का question क्या था?
How did I come to know about it?
From the internet, like all the other things.
Like TikTok and
Yeah.
Instagram. Cool. What do I do besides shuffling? Job or study?
She works in Amazon.
I guess let's leave this part.
Yeah.
Cool. Yes, I work at Amazon and my shift is 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So I
Which
do.
keeps on changing. So yeah.
Yeah, but it like always remain night shift.
Because she's a night owl.
I'm a zombie.
I'm a zombie.
Yeah, we are like very active at night. Where did I learn shuffle from?
This one's interesting. So
Okay, I learned shuffle from many teachers. Some were Indian, some like, and other are in LA or some other countries.
and
So-
some are in the blog section of Instagram for the right reasons. By some I mean just one. You know who you are.
If you're watching this video,
Let's leave this question. So I learned shuffle from many dancers and not some like particular one.
Yeah.
And I'm still learning. There's this website eventbrite.com and you can find like many free shuffle workshops there, and some are like for some $5 or $10. There's also one website of my friend shufflelit.com and they organize workshops like 2 or 3 workshops of shuffle dance
K-shuffle,
in
you know?
a month. Yes, I will be providing every link in the
In the
description.
description. Yeah.
When will you post the tutorial for Milya, which is like very like
Highly requested.
Highly
Yeah,
requested.
one of the most requested tutorial videos. हमने
when are
अभी
we
भी
going
शूट
to
कर
post
अभी
it?
भी शूट करा है तो जब भी मैं एडिट कर लूँगा उसको अभी वो पोस्ट हो जाएगा.
Mostly by New Year,
Yeah.
So
Because
that
I
you
have
can
a lot of
learn.
videos to edit.
so that you can also learn something new this New Year. My idol, inspiration, motivation.
Earlier it was Nicki Minaj. When we were in school.
Yeah, I remember.
Now it is Ariana Grande because she's like more realistic now. She has more realistic ideals.
what do you mean by realistic? Can you elaborate?
Okay.
Okay, whatever. No. In shuffle dance.
In shuffle dance.
He doesn't know anything about shuffle dancers. Like, do you know some famous shuffle faces?
I mean, I know
Other than
one
me?
जिसके साथ हम अभी collab करके आए थे कल.
Yeah, that is Akanksha. She is like very
I was not going to
inspiring.
reveal the name, but yeah.
Yeah, she is very inspiring. I have many other idols too, like Mary Grace. I love her energy, and then there is this girl Cece.
How do you manage your job and dance?
By sacrificing sleep. That is how she manages.
My mantra
And
is
looking like a zombie half of the time.
And choking on momos.
Yeah.
Momos is the real OG here. Not OG, it's
Choking
the
on momos while being half dead.
yeah. Swallowing
that is-
momos.
Swallowing momos, yes.
while being half dead and doing shuffling.
Yes.
Shuffling like while swallowing momos and being half dead.
I can't imagine myself now.
But on a serious note, I would like to tell you guys that she is very hardworking, and I personally look up to her so much. And I have been noticing and basically I have been inspired बहुत time से how gracefully she manages everything, from her job to her family obligations to her shuffle वाला thingy which requires a lot of dedication and time. And हाँ, उसके लिए आपको कुछ sacrifices करने पड़ते हैं, which of course
Which I chose like sleep.
तो yeah, वही है. And
Chalo, a personal question. For how long do you sleep?
Sometimes like 3 hours or 4 hours when I have to do a vlog or tutorial or
Yeah.
dance shoot. And other days I sleep for six maximum.
even I sleep for at least 12 hours straight.
That's why you have only 800 followers, sweetie.
Anyway, moving on, Chai.
Moving on.
Anyways,
What's your favorite quote?
My favorite quote is this: life is too short to regret. I like basically say this whole time.
instead of being afraid of failure, you should like do whatever you want to do
Yeah.
and not regret later on.
कि नहीं किया,
Why?
भले ही उसके बाद और रिग्रेट हो रहा है कि क्यों किया.
नहीं ये तो नहीं, मतलब of course if you fail उसके अंदर तो regret तो नहीं होगा. You always learn something if you
Yeah.
fail. Yeah, that is like always better.
Did your parents support you?
Mm,
Even I know that is cancer. Though.
shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So initially, of course not, because what else would you expect from an Indian parent?
They won't support you in dance field. Maybe they will support
They
you.
won't support you in any as a creative form like
Yes.
dance, art, singing, vlogging.
Vlogging.
They won't support you unless you are a doctor, engineer, or a lawyer.
Yeah.
Even a mediocre ones, but again.
But of course, once you like prove something and show them something कि हाँ देखो this is getting इसमें result आ रहा है जो whatever I'm doing, जो भी आप art का कर रहे हो या
Yeah, so
art
that is the reason I am doing job this like side wise
हाँ
ताकि ये support मैं खुद ही करती रहूँ खुद को.
खुद को exactly.
But हाँ कि they are like happy with all the ये followers and
Accomplishments
all,
वही
all
वही मैंने
the
बोला ना,
growth.
जब आपका accomplishment हो जाता है, जब आप दिखाते हो तब of course they will support you and they will be happy for you, but शुरुआत में तो they will not.
It's a shit show.
Yeah.
धक्का मुक्की.
यार मेरे पेरेंट्स को गंदा नहीं लगेगा ये देखकर.
क्यों लगेगा?
मम्मा.
नहीं लगेगा. अब तो they do support ना, बस अभी का present का ही तो matter करता है, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, past में तो everybody makes mistakes.
Do you know BTS? If yes, please do a dance on BTS song.
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
BTS. We
More than
both know.
BTS, yeah, we should do K-pop because BTS is just like one band.
Yes.
We
But
will-
okay, I have like a song in my mind and it is a song called Ego and it has like very cool
BTS का ही
beats.
है.
Maybe
Okay.
BTS के बंदे का है किसी का.
Okay,
like,
मतलब हाँ
guy.
K-pop का, oh my god.
Next question: basic shuffle tutorials.
Shuffle tutorials for beginners. I will provide something in description. Please make sure to check so that you can learn the basic steps in shuffle dance.
Do not be disappointed if it's not
Yes.
a link.
What do you mean?
There's something very surprising in description for the beginners.
Do you know any other dance form?
Yes, I do many.
Make-
Utkarsh, just give them some
I hope
examples.
मेरे को आंसर करने थे. So yeah, obviously she has been dancing अपने college time से, so and she has practiced बहुत सारे dance forms और बहुत सारे dance forms आते हैं. Shuffle is just one और अभी recently आया है, which is also very surprising and shocking to me as well कि ये इतना अच्छा shuffle कर लेती है और इसने सिर्फ 6 महीने पहले start करा है. And इससे पहले she used to do whacking as you already saw उसके YouTube first पहला जो वीडियो है YouTube पे, that is whacking. And hip hop, pop and और कौन कौन से डांस फॉर्म्स हैं, afro she did बीच में and अभी भी मतलब she does but हाँ अभी majorly she is focusing on shuffle but उसके अलावा भी she does बहुत सारे contemporary बहुत सारे डांस फॉर्म्स.
I'm good at stretching, but I never like learned contemporary पूरा अच्छे
Okay.
से. I just learned one choreo and वही मैंने तुम्हें दिखाई थी शायद म्यूजिक रूम में.
How old are you?
अभी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया था मैंने. उत्कर्ष
22, I think.
you were wrong earlier. So he said 23 and I am 22.
I said 23, he said 21.
I said 21.
Oh wow.
Both of you have bad memory. Why don't you go to any dance reality show?
हाँ, ये तो मेरा भी क्वेश्चन है. Oh, turn around. Oh my god.
I do not care about a
Eagle.
eagle.
Okay, sorry, I will not interrupt now.
Yes, thank you.
It's just very fascinating to look at. I mean.
Have you never seen any eagles?
Not this close.
Okay, keep that curiosity to yourself.
Which all right.
यार कहाँ पर खुजली करते हैं इनको अच्छा लगता है जब
यहाँ पे करते हैं.
यहाँ पे करते हैं
हाँ. गर्दन के
गर्दन के
नीचे.
नीचे करते हैं.
That's why you guys, you got the answer. That's why she did not go to any dance reality show.
Cause priorities. नहीं, but
They
honestly.
won't take me. They won't take me. क्या regret नहीं करना चाहिए?
Regret, हाँ. But of course she will try, given
Yeah,
a
I will
chance.
try. I will definitely try.
अभी तो वैसे भी कोविड की वजह से कहाँ ही हो रहे हैं ऐसे.
Once she has 1 million followers, so she will have a better chance at winning.
Or maybe judging.
Are you dating anyone currently?
Am I? I don't know. I don't know.
Am I? Are you
see.
Brazil?
I see.
I like $1 million bill. I like those Balenciagas,
Okay,
the ones
see.
that come with socks. I like going to the jeweler. I put rock salt in my watch.
Only thing I chase is paper.
By wait, what?
ये गाना है.
She
Acha.
wants to be a paper recycler.
वो कहती है only thing I chase this paper, only thing I chase this paper. So I don't chase boys, I only chase paper.
Have you ever been ghosted, or have you ever ghosted anyone?
What are you gonna say?
जब उसके कम फॉलोअर्स थे तब ये लोगों को अप्रोच करती थी उसके लिए कोलैब के लिए और लोग इसे घोस्ट करते थे बहुत दबा के. बट नाउ
Now.
पहले मैं बहुत
मैंने-
उदास था. पहले मेरे को लोग कोलैब के लिए आते नहीं थे मेरे पास.
All right, I am raising my hand. I am gonna answer.
फिर क्या
So-
हुआ कि मेरा एक रील गया वायरल. Ooh, bitch.
No, do not.
हाँ.
You're looking weird.
Okay.
You are gonna answer?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Answer.
So even I know the answer of this question because
हाँ.
we have been friends. So I think इसका answer ये है कि yes, because when she had 600-700 followers, she used to get ghosted because she used to, ask people to collab and shit, and they used to
Yeah.
refuse after meeting her and having some, free food. But now, yeah, she ghosts people who ghosted her in the past. So yes, she
I
has
have
ghosted
learned
people.
many things from my
She has been
past
ghosted.
experiences.
Wait. She has been ghosted, and she now ghosts people who refused her when she
when
had
she
like
was
700
not that
followers.
big, yes. Which is totally acceptable.
Yes.
We stand.
We stand. So that was all for this video. ये सारे questions आपने comments में भेजे थे. हम दोबारा कर सकते हैं इसका second round. So make sure you go ahead and follow her on Instagram and also follow me on Instagram because
Are you the model, influencer, editor, producer, editing queen,
Author.
author?
He's writing a book these days.
no, I edit her tutorial videos. So yeah, I mean, go
Yeah,
ahead.
please so follow him because he is like helping me a lot these days with my vlogs, and we will like to shoot another Q&A. Make sure you don't repeat your
Yeah.
questions because
I won't be answering that.
that won't be fun. If this video gets 100 likes, then we are going to shoot another vlog of another Q&A with
Yeah.
more interesting questions.
So make sure you follow her on Instagram, subscribe to her YouTube channel.
I have shared the links in the description for his channel and his Insta profile and my Insta profile. So make sure to check and follow and subscribe, please.
To both of us.
To both of us.
Yeah. And we will see you guys super soon in the next video. एंड ऑल्सो शफल के लिंक्स भी, जो सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं वो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में ही होंगे. सो या मेक श्योर यू गो चेक देम आउट.
Peace, love, bye bye, tada. Was that all? ठीक था ना? Good? इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा कभी कुछ